Guys, welcome to CoinSutra, and in this video we are going to learn how we can move Ethereum from Ethereum mainnet to Arbitrum, which is a layer 2 scaling solution. So one of the biggest challenge with Ethereum right now is the scalability. Like when a lot of people start making transaction, the transaction fees goes really high and the waiting time increases, which is not very good for micro transaction. And this is where the layer 2 solution like Arbitrum and Optimism are gaining a lot of popularity. And Arbitrum is one of those layer 2 solution which has some really interesting use cases. For example, they have this crypto exchange called GMX, which is a DeFi exchange where you can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, Link and Uni right now, and it is gaining a lot of popularity. Now to use this platform, you need to be on the Arbitrum chain, and here is how you can move your Ethereum from your Ethereum mainnet to Arbitrum and or vice versa. So I'll leave the link of GMX, and the other one is the Arbitrum Bridge in the description. You can use that. So here is how it works. So very first thing you need to do is to get to Arbitrum Bridge, where you need to connect to your wallet using MetaMask or Wallet Connect or Coinbase depending on the wallet you are using. So let's quickly do that. All right, once you are connected, you can switch. So what we are doing is from mainnet we are moving the coin to Arbitrum 1, right? Like, so this is what we will do. We'll move half Ethereum, and as you can see, when we are moving it, there is a gas fee of about $1.22, and this is what. So let's move the fund, let's allow this transaction, let's look at all the detail. The estimated gas fee is this is what's going to happen, and then click on confirm. So let's allow this transaction, and so it would take about 15 minutes, and then I'll have Ethereum on the Arbitrum chain, and from there I can swap into like any other coin of my choice, or I can use it to trade, or I can use the other D app which are built on Arbitrum. Now here are two interesting things that you need to know. Number one, if you don't want to move your Ethereum using Arbitrum Bridge, you can always use some of the exchanges which support direct withdrawal to Arbitrum chain. For example, Binance, which is one of the world's most popular crypto exchange at this moment, let you draw Ethereum directly to your Arbitrum 1 chain, and you can use this. And second, right now Arbitrum does not have a token, and I believe the next airdrop is going to be for the people who are using Arbitrum chain. And if you are not using it, and if you're looking for a really interesting airdrop, maybe it's time you should start using Arbitrum chain, and you never know how much reward you would get just for using that, just by being the early adopter. Well, these are my 2 cents. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have a new idea or something that I should cover in this channel, let me know. With that, I'll see you next. Bye bye.